Welcome to day 24 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing resting as awareness. So I invite you now to find that posture that allows you to remain both relaxed and at ease and also alert. So this might be sitting upright in a chair or on a cushion, or you could be laying down, or you could also just be standing with your back supported against a wall. I invite you to close your eyes now, or to just keep them a quarter of the way open, gazing down towards the floor, not staring at anything specific, but just keeping that wide open gaze. And tuning into the sensation of your breath as it moves in through the nostrils and allowing it to move out through the nostrils. As we've been practicing in this series, we're allowing more and more space for silence, more space for us to find this nature of our own minds, this vast, spacious awareness that is available to us. So today we'll practice resting as that awareness. So instead of focusing on something specific, just allowing awareness to rest openly. Experience arises in our practice, and awareness knows it. So we're not choosing anything particular to be aware of, not sound, not breath, just letting yourself rest as awareness, letting it remain wide open and accommodating of all that comes into experience. Nothing to be managed, nothing to fix, but with curiosity, turning awareness on itself. Awareness looking directly at the quality of awareness. And being curious. Who is it? What is it? How is it? Not answering with the conceptual mind, but dropping into these questions. Awareness, aware of itself. Noticing how the body feels now, just resting, just being. Thank you for practicing with me on day 24 of our meditation challenge. And I do hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.